Is it time to buy or sell the SQQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore SQQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of April 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since April 16, 2025, our system has ranked SQQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.14. Let's take a look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. We'll continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund resides in the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which could typically present an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $35.54 is breached, it will first indicate a slower rate of ascent, but may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend hints at a possible 39.12% change over the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 28.28% to 96.65%. In terms of the longer view, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 29.25%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 64.92% to negative 3.71% over the next year. In current terms, this translates to a future price estimated to lie between $13.52 and $37.11. Our latest daily update for SQQQ includes the headline, "A very strong day for SQQQ ETF price on Wednesday." The SQQQ ETF price gained 9.05% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025. It rose from $35.34 to $38.54. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 9.37%, with a low of $36.60 and a high of $40.03. The price has experienced some volatility during this period, and there has been a 5.3% gain over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. A total of 22 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 106 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $4.09 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $64.95, while the lowest price was $26.21. Currently, the price is 40.66%, or $26.41, below the 52-week high, and 99.83%, or $22,765.21, below the all-time high reached on the 31st of January, 2017, when the price hit $22,803.75. On the 9th of April 2025, the Nasdaq experienced a striking rally of approximately 12.2%. This surge raised concerns about potential volatility in technology stocks and highlighted a significant red flag for investors in SQQQ, the ProShares Ultra-Short QQQ ETF. This leveraged fund, designed to provide 3 times the inverse daily performance of the Nasdaq 100, is specifically intended for short-term trading rather than long-term investment. Historical trends indicate that substantial one-day gains in the Nasdaq often precede declines, echoing patterns observed during the dot-com bubble. Given the current market's volatility, SQQQ remains a risky choice for hedging. Additionally, the recent introduction of tariffs by former President Trump has further contributed to instability in U.S. equity markets, intensifying interest in inverse ETFs like SQQQ. The demand for leveraged and inverse ETFs typically increases during uncertain market conditions, making SQQQ a focal point for investors navigating these fluctuations. However, the ETF's inherent risks, such as potential decay due to daily resets, can lead to significant losses. In the short term, This volatility may present opportunities for traders, but caution is advised for those considering longer-term positions, as timing and market conditions can dramatically influence outcomes. Therefore, SQQQ can capture attention both for tactical trading strategies amid market unrest and for its potential as a cautionary tale in the realm of speculative investments. The following signals have been identified for SQQQ. The SQQQ exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the fund, giving a positive forecast. If the fund continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $38.72. Conversely, if it declines, the fund will find some support from the long-term average at around $37.45. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will issue a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far, it has dropped by 27.24%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 36 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 26 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SQQQ. SQQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $38.21. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be a very high risk. During the past day, the ETF moved $3.43 between its high and low, representing a 9.37% change. Over the last week, the ETF has averaged daily volatility of 9.46%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SQQQ is at $38.80. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the ETF, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, SQQQ faces its first support level at $38.21. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $36.25, which represents a decrease of 5.94%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is SQQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for SQQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of April, we expect SQQQ to open lower by 15 cents and start trading at $38.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.